how you guys doing out there today? Thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I just want to spill the beans. Like, people keep asking me, Jason, how you literally running your business on autopilot? So I'm gonna spill the beans. Actually, people, I use OSP. OSP stands for Online Sales Pro. I actually integrated that into my MCA business and also my real estate business, and it just took off like 100%, especially when you use the training and all the tools that's in the program, people. So with the program, it's actually just a lead generation system. It's actually help you convert more leads into sales, like plain and simple. And by doing this on autopilot, so you really just put in maybe like an hour of work or maybe 2 hours of work a day, and you set it and forget it, and you can just travel and enjoy yourself and get paid. You know what I'm saying? Let the system work for you. So, you know what I'm saying, if you want to check it out, man, it's just an amazing system. It's guaranteed to grow your business. It's guaranteed to grow your business only if you put in the work. So you know how that goes, man. Put in the work, you're gonna get the result. So, you know what I'm saying, if you want to check it out, it's the link in the description. Check it out. It's like a 14-day free trial. No obligation, just, you know what I'm saying, use it, integrate your business so you can go ahead and start making these $10,000 months, these $20,000 months. So, you know, so I ain't gonna hold you up. Get in, get started, look at it, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right? Peace.